everybody, welcome to another video. Just replying to one of my friends. Welcome to Chris's Gareth Day 20. And today we are on SCR. And we are on the and 1.4 is out, and we are on the brand new Lin extension on the Lin branch, and today we are filming trains at Millcastle. So he'll be seen services by Stepford Connect and Stepford Express, with Stepford Connect serving the station only and Stepford Express passing through. So this is the outside of the station. I do apologise if I have any coughing fits in the video. I do have a bad throat. Over here you have your shops. This is the very nice entrance. Over here you've got your very nice entrance. Welcome to Millcastle, and here's the destination boards here. The first train will be a Connect 707 to West Wyburn, and here's your seating over here. Platform 2 and 3, no trains stop here. And we're going to go on platforms 2 and 3. So platforms 2 and 3, no trains stop there. But I'm guessing 4 and 1 are for trains that do stop. So welcome to Millcastle, which has 4 platforms, and is served by Connect only, with Express passing through the station. Welcome to Millcastle. Also, here's one of my Roblox friends. See if he gives us a little wave. There, he just said hello, YT. There he is. See if he gives us a wave. You gonna give us a wave? Krasavisky. Or Sky, I don't know. Bonjour. Shouts out to one of my Roblox friends. Krasavisky or Sky, I'm unaware. Also featuring in this video is Adam. There he is. AB Trains, there he is. So he's also featuring in this video. As you can see, platforms 2 and 3 do not feature a yellow line, as no trains stop at this station. But no trains stop at these platforms, but they must stop at 4 and 1 then. The first train will be a train on
Train now approaching platform 3 does not stop here.
Oh, now passing through 3. HST. That was a Stepford Express. HST passing through 3. The next train will be a 707 on platform number 1. Now I'm just going to see. Let me figure out which direction that HST was going. I know. I'll know if I check the 707. The 707 is going in on 1. Which direction is it in? West Wyburn. So let's have a look on the menu. Let's see. West Wyburn is in the Lin direction. So that's HST. That HST was going to Stepford Central. So that was a Stepford Express HST heading to Stepford Central. As you can see, along with my friend who's now a dispatcher, along with him we have a lot of people who've come to join Adam for his video. Someone called Zachary Gaming TV, Mega Robot 145, Exotic Player Z1, Carlo _ Roblox, and of course Adam himself. Millcastle's got quite a few people out today. So I shall see you when the next train arrives. Here's a shot of the 4 platforms here at Millcastle. There you go. The 707 stopping on 1 is due at 18:52. And this is day 20, and this may be delayed because I'm recording it on the day it's meant to be out. Time now, by the way, is 18:34. The 707 to West Wyvern is due at is due at 18:52 as far as I'm aware. There's nothing on the board because, well, don't think many people are driving the Lynn branch on this server, and you only get Connect stopping here. So like expresses aren't on the board. Just every now and then an announcement. Please stand back from the platform edge. So yeah, see you when the next train either arrives or passes. Also, something unique about this station. They have Millcastle signs, like your average normal signs. But they also have they also have one sign that says "Welcome to Millcastle." Very nice indeed. And there's the mouse of the laptop. So yeah, this is the nice station of Millcastle. Quite a nice station, to be honest. Okay, we have 2 trains on the way at 18:52. Adam will be due. It is 707. And my friend featured at the start of the video is bringing a HST coming from Lynn, so it'll be on this platform. Also, a shout out to my best friend Adam, AB Trains. Please go sub to him. He's got like 1,900 subs, but he deserves way more. He's a great YouTuber and my best friend. So please go and sub to him. If you want his channel name, it's in his Roblox name, right there, AB Trains. But, and let me get me that AB Trains. But obviously don't put the YT in. You'll probably, even if you do put YT, it'll probably still come up with AB Trains. But yeah. Okay, now what's pass through platform number 3 is going to be a Stepford Express HST. Forming a service from Lynn by the Sea to Stepford Central. Don't know if you guys heard that. That was a notification on my phone if you did hear it. My friend has just said in the chat that he's coming.
Not stop here.
Now passing through platform 3.
Back from the platform edge.
Now passing through platform number 3 is a Stepford Express HST. Oh, it's passing through quite slowly. Thanks for the horn. No, you're not meant to stop here. That's good. Yep, that's right. Keep moving. There we go. Just passing through platform number 2 there. Stepford Express 801. Just caught that in time.
Does not stop here.
Now passing through platform number 3. Stepford Express 801. That was a Stepford Express 801 to Stepford Central from Lynn. Okay, the next train to arrive on platform number 1 is going to be your delayed 18:52 Stepford Connect service to West Wyvern. This will be formed of a 707. This train is due in a minute, but it's not going to be in a minute because it's going to be delayed. Adam has told me. Plenty of drivers now, and I'm aware that most of them are on the Lynn branch, which is all good. Okay, the next train to arrive will be your delayed 1852. Step for connect service to West Wyvern. Calling it West Wyvern only. It's before number 707 as notified by Adam. So a lot less drivers now. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 people who I know are on their way here. My friend is on his way on a Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central. Adam is very, very close in the service to West Wyvern, so I don't know about the other 3. But the time now is 18:57. The train is, hang on. The train is currently 5 minutes late, but I did think I heard his door tone somewhere. Unless it was my friend's train. I have no idea. Okay, it is now arriving. Now arriving is delayed 18:52. 9W46 is the head code. Stepford Connect services. Stepford Connect services. Step to West Wyvern.
This train has 5 coaches.
This is running. Thank you for the 2-tone. This train is running 7 minutes late. Limited service on this line today, for some reason. 707-067 to West Wyvern. Well, the actual reason to limited service is not many people driving on the Lim branch, and not many people in the server in general, to be honest. 707-067 to West Wyvern. Okay, now leaving is 707-067 with your delayed with your 8 minutes late. 18:52. Stepford Connect service to West Wyvern. That's running 8 minutes late. 707-067 to West Wyvern. And also arriving on platform number 4 is your 1902 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central. We've got 350.
Leighton Stepford Road, Water Newton, Hampton Hartley, Benton,
Which is from your slightly early 1902 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central. But it's 1900, so it's running 2 minutes early.
This train has 4 coaches.
That probably not off for a couple of minutes, for a minute then. Okay, now about to leave. It's going to be a 1902 Stepford Connect services to Stepford Central. We have 350, 361. Moving your 1902 to Stepford Central. That's 350, 361. With the rainbow SCR livery. The heart SCR on the front there. And the Rainbow Connect livery on the side. Could be a Pride livery, I don't know, but it's very nice. 350 was a good choice to give it up to I think. Okay, now leaving is your 1902. Thanks for the 2-tone. Your 1902 Stepford Connect service, Stepford Central, 4 tones. Thank you very much. 350, 361, Stepford Central. And my friend has now despawned his train and he's changed back into a dispatcher again. Well, I don't think you can dispatch at this station, but I could be wrong. And also, if you want to dispatch, I don't recommend just being on these platforms because nothing stops on these ones. Trains only stop on 4 and 1, to be honest. Okay, now getting ready to leave on platform number 4 is going to be your 1907 Stepford Connect service to St Helens Bridge. We've got the return of 707-067. We got the return of 707-067 forming a 19. I think it's a delayed 90. I think it's a 1909 Stepford Connect service to St Helens Bridge. That's either for your 1909 service or your delayed 1907. 707-067. Thanks for the 2-tone. Can I give him a wave before he goes? 707067. St. Helens Bridge from West Wyvern. I think that cut out. Get there, guys. But yeah. Basically, Airlink is dead at the moment. But when 1.4 isn't new anymore, when 1.4 isn't new anymore, Airlink should be back to normal. Okay, we have a few expresses due, driven by my friend, who's the yellow there, this guy, and Adam, who will probably be first. Now passing through 3. Stepford Express HST passing through platform number 3. Time now is 19:23. Can it focus on it? Seems it doesn't want to focus. There we go, 19:24 now. Well, there was a Stepford Express HST passing through. And HST and Adam's roleplay was heading to Robloxia. However, normally it will be heading to Stepford Central. Also, I've received some info that the reason that the 321 and the 319, so the 319 on Waterline and the 321 on Connect and Leighton City, although all that hasn't been updated, is because first coughing fit of the video. This is because, hang on, passing through platform number 3. Got a Stepford Express 801. Ranks for the horn. Stepford Express 801, 801 110. (801 110) to Stepford Central. Anyway, the reason that Leighton City hasn't had its upgrade, 321, 319 on next gen, is because they couldn't fit them into the update, and also there's a bunch of patches that also couldn't fit in the update. So when 1.4.1 comes out, those will probably get the update. Apologies for the blur. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.